Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that's 9th of April, timing 10 p.m. I will be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So what we'll be covering into that particular live stream, we'll making some cool Python projects which actually you will be able to add up into your resumes. So this is what we are going to do. We'll be using some Python libraries, some functions from Python, and we'll be making up some cool Python project in today's live stream. That is 9th of April. The day today is Saturday and the timings will be the 10 p.m. in the night, right? So mark up your calendars for the same. I will be seeing you in the live stream. So they'll be making up a cool Python project. Your questions, your queries, whatever you are having, those will be solved out at that particular in the live stream regarding the project. So the link for the live stream is already mentioned in the description box. So go ahead and click over the reminder on option so that you do not miss out this particular live stream from my side. See you in the live stream.